Testosterone is the most important sex hormone in men. It plays a critical role in many areas, from sperm production, muscle and bone development, deepening of the voice, and sexual desire to self-confidence. Today's unhealthy living conditions, such as stress, poor nutrition, and lack of sleep, can significantly reduce testosterone levels. Fortunately, there are powerful foods that can naturally boost your testosterone levels. Now, we will discuss 10 foods that can quickly increase testosterone levels. Using simple foods you use in your daily kitchen, you can naturally increase your testosterone levels without using medication. Testosterone production is closely related to signals from our pituitary gland. The hypothalamus, the central part of our brain, stimulates the pituitary gland by secreting GnRH, gonadotropin-releasing hormone. The pituitary gland stimulates the Leydig cells in the testicles. LH, luteinizing hormone, is released, and testosterone production begins. FSH, follicle-stimulating hormone. This hormone supports sperm production. If the pituitary gland does not function properly, LH and FSH hormones are not secreted sufficiently. This leads to low testosterone levels and decreased sperm production. Infertility. Testosterone is the most important hormone regulating sexual desire, libido, and erection. If low levels of testosterone are secreted, sexual desire may decrease, and erection may weaken, leading to ED. In addition, vascular health, stress, sleep disorders, and chronic diseases, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, are also contributing factors in the development of ED. If you have mild testosterone deficiency in ED, you can start by adopting a healthy diet, exercising, and making lifestyle changes. In this video, we will explain 10 powerful foods that quickly increase your testosterone levels in a natural and safe way. 1. Eggs. Eggs are rich in healthy fats, protein, and vitamin D, which support testosterone production and muscle strength. Vitamin D found in eggs is a critical vitamin for testosterone production. The healthy cholesterol found in egg yolks is a building block for testosterone, a steroid hormone. There is an indirect relationship between muscle development and testosterone. The protein in eggs supports muscle mass. 2. Oysters. The reason oysters are one of the best natural boosters for testosterone is because they contain zinc. Zinc deficiency is directly linked to low testosterone levels. Zinc is important for spermatogenesis and the health of male reproductive cells. Regular zinc intake maintains your hormone levels. 3. Garlic. Garlic lowers cortisol levels in the body thanks to the allicin it contains. Low cortisol levels are necessary for better testosterone production. Garlic helps you use testosterone more effectively by balancing cortisol levels. Its positive effects on blood flow are important for a healthier sex life and erections. 4. Spinach. Magnesium is very important for increasing your testosterone levels, and spinach is a natural source of magnesium. The combination of testosterone and magnesium supports muscle development and energy production. Spinach reduces free radicals and maintains hormone balance thanks to its antioxidant effect. 5. Salmon. Salmon is important for testosterone production and hormone balance due to its omega-2 fatty acid content. It compensates for vitamin D deficiency, which causes testosterone levels to drop. With its high-quality protein content, it supports muscle and energy production, thereby increasing testosterone release. 6. Bananas. Some studies show that bromelain enzymes found in bananas can increase testosterone production. The potassium and B vitamins in bananas support energy production, which is important for hormone production and sexual health. The tryptophan in bananas increases serotonin production and helps reduce stress hormones. Reducing stress is an important factor in improving testosterone levels. 7. Lemons. The high vitamin C content in lemons helps prevent testosterone suppression by lowering cortisol levels. It balances hormone levels by reducing free radicals. It plays an important role in sexual health and testosterone health by improving blood flow. 8. Tuna. Tuna causes an increase in testosterone due to its high vitamin D content. The lean protein it contains enhances the effect of testosterone. It improves blood flow and allows testosterone to work more effectively. 9. Almonds. Almonds contain zinc and healthy fats. For this reason, they support testosterone production. Zinc is an important mineral for testosterone production, and healthy fats also contribute to hormone synthesis. With its protein and vitamin E content, it has benefits for muscle development and hormone balance. It is an antioxidant. With this property, it reduces free radicals and supports the more effective functioning of testosterone. 10. Porridge oats. The rich EB vitamins in oats support hormone production, which means increased testosterone levels. It keeps your blood sugar balanced and improves your hormonal health thanks to its energizing properties. The protein and complex carbohydrates it contains enable testosterone to work more effectively. So if you want to increase your testosterone levels naturally, start adding these foods to your daily diet. Which one do you eat the most? Share your thoughts by commenting below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy.